With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello. We are given with a multiple choice based question, and the question says the motion of a pendulum is. So we have to determine the pendulum's motion, right? So what type of the motion is it? Rotatory, A, B oscillatory, C curvilinear, or D rectilinear? What type of the motion is it? So in rotatory, it is a circular motion, right? It is a circular type motion. So pendulum exhibits a circular type motion? No, it does not. In fact, it exhibits a motion like this, and it comes back, goes here, and again come back. Oscillatory? Yes. Curvilinear? No, it does not exhibit a curvilinear motion. Rectilinear? No, it is not straight motion. So the answer would be option B, right? That is oscillatory motion. What does oscillatory motion means? Oscillatory motion, curvilinear motions are generally a type of motions in which they form a curve, right? But in oscillatory, it is periodic also. So this type of the pendulum's motion is periodic because it has a certain time period after which it repeats its motion. So that is an oscillatory motion. It oscillates about a given point. This is the main point and it oscillates about it. Right? Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.